Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have a very special vehicle. We're just looking at it, we're not fixing anything. I just wanted to show you guys how much creativity do-it-yourselfers have when it comes to vehicle repair. It's a 2000 Toyota Celica. Came all the way from Newfoundland. And let's look what has been repaired here. Well, first of all, this left tire is bald, the rear left, and you can see how crooked it is on the vehicle. The right is much straighter. And the reason being is because someone had welded the subframe back together with some band-aid solutions. Maybe they didn't line it up well enough so that the alignment is way off, but they've connected it back. At least it's not breaking off. And very nice sway bar right here. It's missing part of the sway bar. How about this side? Oh yeah, this side too. This side is broken right in the bushing there. Not visible at all. By the way, this right side subframe has also been modified with some added on steel to keep it in place, I guess, because the whole thing rotted out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, the next repair is even better. The gas tank is held by the stainless steel rulers. Instead of the straps, they've just installed the rulers. Both of them. Very creative. Those are strong rulers, so they should be totally fine. That's actually the best repair of the straps I've seen so far. Let's go look at the front, see what's happening here. There's some interesting rack and pinion line circling around. I guess they didn't want to bother putting it in the proper spot. Just put it wherever there was space. Okay. Now the tranny is leaking. Oh God. So the condenser is all banged up. Tranny cooler lines are leaking here. There is no tranny cooler, it's just a loop of hose. Yeah. Oh. The sway bar on the left front is also broken. Well, we have one good link on the right front. The frame rail here on the driver's side, this piece here completely is missing. On the right side we have that reinforcement still, a little rusted but still there. On the left it's missing. And the frame rail right here looks like it's got a hole in it. Yes, it does. We're banging with a ball peen hammer a little bit. Yeah, now we're inside. So this is all rotten out. There is a hole. So there's some on the bottom, but the main structural part is the side. So basically this whole vehicle is being held by half of this side. Yeah, so not much rigidity in this vehicle anymore. You hit a pothole good enough and it just breaks, snaps. Yeah, overall a lot of rust, holes, and this car somehow made it here from Newfoundland. Toyota reliability, all rotten out, everything is falling apart, but it still drives. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments.